In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use sticker in CapCut PC. First of all, in CapCut application, at the top left corner, here as you see sticker option, just click on that. Here you will see lots of useful sticker. Some are pro, some are free. Here you will also find some animation, something like this. To use this sticker, just click on the sticker and then drag it into your timeline. Here as you see this sticker added. You can resize this sticker and reposition it. Just click on this sticker. Here as you see the sticker is selected. Now you can drag it and reposition it. Also you can resize the sticker size. You can also add animation how sticker will reveal. At the top right corner here as you see animation option, just click on that. Here as you see some animation. To add animation, just click on the animation. Here as you see bounce in animation added. You can also set animation when it will disappear. Just click on out, set the animation. In this way you can add sticker in CapCut video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.